guys, Matt at IronTrap Garage. We're working on the free T again today. So in the last video I got the wishbones all mounted up on it so that the front axle isn't flopping around when we roll it and try and steer it. The next problem we have that we need to take care of is the steering arms on the front spindles. They are too high basically, they're in the stock location, and you can't get the tie rod to mount from underneath like it's supposed to. It basically runs into the wishbones because of the dropped axle. So what we need to do is we need to get the arms dropped down below so that we can mount the tie rod underneath, and then we can steer the car. This is something that pretty much guys have been doing since the beginning of hot rodding. As soon as you put a dropped axle on and lower the frame, put a reverse side spring, you start running into issues with steering the tie rod and steering arms run into the wishbones. So we're going to show you really quickly how to do that, just the old school way with the fire wrench, the torch. So let's get going. Alright, so that was quick and painless. Got the torch out. We bent the steering arms both down to about the same degree, and then all we did was just bend either side so that it brought them back up, and we are ready to go. So now everything steers, which is really exciting. Everything's connected. You turn the wheel. The car isn't falling apart. We don't have clamps holding everything together, and I am excited. So it of course needs alignment. You know, we didn't do anything with the tie rod to get the toe-in set but it's good enough for us rolling it around right now. We have a lot more stuff to do. The other thing we did is we braced that little hoop that was on the top of the steering arm where the drag link connects to. Once we got everything connected, you could actually see that hoop was flexing when we were turning the wheel, trying to figure out what was loose and what needed to be braced more. And we could actually see that hoop was flexing when you started to steer. So that's a big thing. Over the years, everybody kind of old wives' tale that those can break or have issues. Definitely some flex there. So I agree with anytime you have those, bracing them, putting something in there to keep them from having additional flex. So that's all I got for this time. It's a real quick one. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you later.